Hello, my dear ones. I am Alexandra Sokolova from the real estate agency in Mersin. A 2+1 flat with 2 bathrooms, a separate living room and a separate kitchen. In a new complex with a hammam, sauna, and swimming pool. I will now show you a flat, new from the investor, with a wonderful sea view. Give it a like and let's go have a look. Here's the hallway. In the hallway, we have tiled flooring and a large built-in glass wardrobe. And these stylish ceilings. The kitchen is separate. Stone countertop. Trendy, splashback. With a window overlooking the pool, gardens, and mountains. Such beauty. The space is excellently zoned. Worth area. Space for a dining table. Separate living room. Such a cool, large one. With a large terrace. Overlooking the pool and the sea and the mountains. Such beauty. All around. Excellent, direct view of the sea. If desired, the terrace can be glazed. Common bathroom. Shower, suspended floor with bidet function. Cabinet and sink. Children's bedroom. With a view of the pool and the sea. In the prospect of gasification, and the wiring under the radiator is also present. The bedroom is not small, you will like it. It will please you. Master bedroom. More spacious, and you'll be pleased with the presence of a walk-in wardrobe. Such a cool, convenient walk-in wardrobe. There is a full bathroom with a toilet, shower, and mirror. You'll also be pleased with the presence of a nice balcony with a view of the pool and the sea.
Oh, guys, it's even hot in here. Hammam sauna. They're using the hammam, so I won't go in there.
I hope this option has pleased you. Delight the YouTube algorithms with your activity, likes, comments, and shares. Visit our website. We have other current offers for this area and this type of apartment. Or contact us via WhatsApp. The phone number appears on your screens, or you can find it below in the info box under the video. In the info box under the video, I have no secrets from you. I leave all the details of the property. Contact us via WhatsApp, and we will tailor a selection for your goal, your budget, your task. Thank you for watching up to this point. Love, hugs, kisses, and see you in the next videos. Bye.